What's going on, guys? Zujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. So in this video today, guys, we're gonna be gutting the interior on my 335 because I'm trying to give the car a little diet and I want it to lose some weight. I'm a full race car, guys. I ordered some bucket seats for it. They didn't come in yet. They're on back order with the seat brackets. It's a mess with the seat bracket, guys. They costed almost as much as the seats did, so it's kind of annoying. But I'm gonna make a whole separate video on it. But in today's video, we are gutting the 335s. And later on today, I'm gonna be meeting up with the Camaro guys, the 2020. But if you guys didn't know, in the last video when I raced it, it was full stop. 2, 1, go! And now he wants to go for a rematch tonight because he got long tube headers, an intake, and a custom dyno tune, and he's making some good numbers now. I know what he's making. He's up there. He's making good numbers. So he wants a rematch tonight, so we're going to get some footage of that. Guys, I didn't want to make a full video on it because it's kind of cheesy, but I do have a Burger Motorsports oil catch can, a BMS oil catch can now hooked up to my PCV because I was just squirting oil out of there and that was not a good idea. So now I'm going to be catching a lot of that oil in this catch can. I don't have the engine support, whatever you call those bars. So I put it down here. I hooked it up to one of the lines down here. But it's not putting weight on it, so it's good. And one thing I really do like about it is before you would have it mounted above the PCV because the bar is about here. It's about here. Now I have it in a lower spot, so it gives a good amount of depression going down to the low point, and it probably will catch more oil because before the oil would have to travel upwards and now the oil is traveling downwards. So the gravity is forcing the oil to go down into the catch can. So it's a mod that I feel like I really needed a lot sooner, but it's good that I got it now. And let's see how it works, guys. I want to see in like a couple more drives if it actually did catch a lot of oil. All of the trunk liner. Surprisingly, where the spare tire goes, like this thing that you lift up, is actually one of the heaviest parts I think that was in the trunk. If I had to guess, maybe 5 pounds, 2.5 pounds, 2.5 pounds, a pound. And then this is where a lot of the weight got taken off, was this the driver's side back seat. What do you think that weighs?
I don't know, 5, 10 pounds.
Not lift it.
No, it doesn't weigh more.
Lift it.
Okay, this one 20, 25, that one 5.
5, 10?
Yeah.
And then these are like 2.5 pounds
then the
each.
back seats where the big weight comes.
Yeah.
The front seats, sorry.
The front.
heated seats, those things are heavy.
And then these door panels, 10 pounds each.